Can you not stop filming me? The Alpha is angry, and you don't want to see that. Stop it!
Now, many of you think I'm a pedo and all that, and I agree. And everyone here thinks that's funny.
You don't want to make a deal with the devil.
Ooh! You're the guy who's under my bed?
Remember, they stand behind me, I protect them. They stand next to me, I defend them. Stand against me, I show no mercy.
I'm so sorry.
Excuse me. Imagine Instagramming. Maybe you could learn your Instagrammer.
Hi, good morning. Hey, listen. This is
That's a giant carrot.
Yeah, it's a very big carrot.
You sure you want to put it in?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make the pumpkin machine?
You ever been kidnapped before?
What?
Let me look at it.
Yeah.
Let me talk. Say something. Say
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
that.
Sally sells
Luke,
seashells.
what were you doing?
Oh, I was sucking on the vitamin water bottle.
Some babies give you kisses, some babies give you cuddles, some babies give you hugs, some babies do raspberries. Mine? Headbutts.
Yeah! Walking down bleeding with that seat. Extra bullets in
Yes, you're a queen.
Man, the door shut right in my face as I boarded the train. We are packed like a can of sardines in here, man. Under the sea. Under the sea.
Top 3 reasons I would be a bad boyfriend. Number 1, I'm so ugly! I'm so ugly!
People always ask me where I see myself in 10 years. Like, buddy, I'm just trying to make it to Friday.
Can I kiss you?
Sure.
Call me a bitch. I ain't a bitch, son.
Next time, open your ears, because I didn't even call you a bitch.
My principal says that we're not normal.
Yeah. No, done.
Yeah.
Yeah, he like slipped and like... Yeah. He was going everywhere. No.
I'm tired of telling y'all to put your phones up. I said it 4 times before the bell. I'm done. Oh, it's funny to you?
When somebody does something I don't like, for some reason, my natural instinct is to just react with violence.
Well, and that's not a good reaction.
I don't know why.
Hey, Ron. Yes. Do you like cheese?
Yeah.
Guess who else likes who?
Joe Mama! And your daddy, boy!
So what public interest did he pleaded guilty? What public could have gone? Let me finish, you small, strange man.
Lady in red. Hello, madam. I want to give you some free cash. Free cash. £5 for you. No cash? Well, that was the reaction.
How many genders are there?
I don't know. I just got here.
So God's black.
God is absolutely black. It's in the Bible. Is it a problem, God being black?
It's not a problem. It's just not what's true.
Why can't God be black?
Why would God, the Almighty Creator, have a skin color?
So God creates skin color, but he don't have one.
Yeah, God created the trees too. He's not a tree. That's a stupid argument.
Here with?
No camera, no camera. The protection. My name is Luis.
What age should you give up on your dreams?
65.
Why?
Wait, no, actually, 80.
80?
Wait, no, actually, don't give up on your dreams at all.
So, what's your final answer?
75.
naon mo Jim oy. Sige na mo lang mukaon Jim, wala daghan kay hugason, daghan kay diri hugason, daghan kay wa mo kalaba ana inyong eskwelahan.
Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Oh, you're so dramatic, bro. Oh my God! Stop drinking beer for breakfast.
Stop drinking coffee for breakfast.
You can't even talk.
It's 7 a.m. somewhere.
Hola. Oh, sorry. I was saying hello. I was just in Mexico earlier.
You shut the f up. Oh, so I'm having a burger. It's lettuce wrapped. French fries, but they're lettuce wrapped. Onion rings, but it's lettuce wrapped.
He's all scared. I see you. You're scared. I'm
What the f is wrong with you? Get in your car, dude. Get in your car. In my car. That's fair. That's fair. Can you get in your car? No. Oh!